So hello everyone, if you want to appear for CUCT 2022 and want to get admission in a good central university like Delhi University, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Banaras Hindu University, then this video is for you. So let's get started. So बच्चों मेरा नाम है सार्थ मारवा and मैंने बीटेक किया IIT खड़गपुर से and I will be guiding you through preparation for CUCT 2022. I also guided students for CUCT 2021. You can have a look at my YouTube channel. And also please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So see, the center has told that it will be conducting common admission tests for all the central universities. And see, this CUCT was envisaged in the new National Education Policy 2022 and it was scheduled in 2021 academic session, but because of the COVID-19 pandemic this could not take place. Now the UGC, the University Grants Commission, which is the regulator of all the central universities, has written a letter to all the vice chancellors of the central universities like Delhi University, Banaras Hindu University to come together for conducting the common university entrance test, that is CUCT, and this CUCT will be conducted by the National Testing Agency NTA, okay, and it will be conducted for both the undergraduate and the postgraduate courses. So the UGC had constituted a 7-member committee to recommend the modalities for CUCT. Okay, so after many deliberations, it was resolved that the common entrance test for undergraduate and postgraduate courses may be conducted for central universities from academic session 22-23 through the National Testing Agency. Bachon, National Testing Agency is the same company which conducts the JEE Main, JEE Advanced and NEET. Okay, so UGC has advised all central universities to take appropriate measures for the conduct of CUCT next year. Okay, this commission has said that the private and the deemed universities as well as those run by the state can opt for admission through CUCT. The CUCT will be a computerized exam. It will not be a pen and paper exam. It will be a computerized exam and it will be conducted in 13 languages. Okay, now the CUCT will have two components. Now let us see what will be the pattern of CUCT. So students, if you want to take admission in Delhi University, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Banaras Hindu University, this is the opportunity for you. CUCT is going to be announced very soon. Now let us discuss what will be the exam pattern. So the exam pattern will be as follows. See, the test will be taken on computer. The questions will be in the MCQ format. It will not be a subjective type exam. Okay. The test for undergraduate courses will consist of two sections. The first section is the common aptitude test. Okay, the common aptitude test will have 50 questions. Out of this 50 questions, 15 questions will be of reading comprehension, 10 questions will be of verbal ability, 10 questions of quantitative reasoning, 10 questions of logical and analytical reasoning, 5 questions of general awareness and ICT. So this common aptitude test will be of 60 minutes. Now second part will be the domain specific test. The domain specific test will consist of 30 questions and each consists of questions from each of the chosen subjects. So for example, if you want to take admission in the commerce stream, then you will be asked questions from the commerce stream. If you want to take admission in the humanities stream, you will be asked questions for the humanities stream. For science stream, it will be that way only. Okay, so the test will be 3 hours in duration and there will not be any gap between the common aptitude test and domain specific test. Okay, so correct response will have 4 plus 4 and the negative for every incorrect answer you will have -1 mark. So the maximum possible score will be 600 and the minimal possible score will be -150. So this tells us that there will be probably around 150 questions. That means 50 questions from the common aptitude test and 100 questions from the domain specific test. So students, I will be providing you the information regarding the CUCT and I will also be telling you the preparation strategy for CUCT. So please subscribe to my channel. I had also prepared students for CUCT 2021. You can have a look at my YouTube channel. So if you want to prepare for CUCT 2022, I will be providing some free videos and I will be posting the videos regularly and I will be guiding you regarding your preparation. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.